Good evening, madam. Myself, Haridas.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, like to speak something regarding both the persons we have got class here. So, Kumari Swami sir, as well as TV Satnarayan sir, both of you have done a wonderful job. That will be a loss if I am not talking anything on you. We have seen your presentations in YouTube channels and all, and many of your contributions. Not only that, you have been raised to a standard of a guru, not actual teacher, because you are devoting your 24 hours, 24/7 to the teaching and learning community only. And
Thank you, sir.
at this, I have to. You have created an indelible impression in our cerebral skin, and that will not be deleted in any time, in any way, in any manner. So thank you, sir. Thank you, both of you. So this will be a added. Moreover, I have seen your hobby, that is music. That also was very nice. I am very much proud of. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
He's very good singer, sir. Thank you.
Because I am a newcomer in Kendriya Vidyalaya. I came from Central Tibetan schools only.
Okay, nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.